I played hockey at school back in the 1960s and loved the sport. But after leaving school, I took up a nursing career, so I couldn't commit to a hockey club. Bringing up my 3 children and looking after my 7 grandchildren, they're a blessing, but after all these years of just being called Mum, it's refreshing to come here and hear my name, Mae'r. It's, you think, oh, I can get used to this, it's lovely. I've always been aware of the importance of keeping active as you get older as much as possible to maintain your physical as well as your mental health. When I retired, I worked in a big team, lots of support, lots of camaraderie, and then I retired and there was nothing. And there was this sense of loneliness and a bit of isolation. But now we've got this team and it's changed my life, basically.
To set up this walk in hockey through the National Lottery via Sports Wales, we needed that funding really to pay for the hire of the hall and the astroturf, and we needed a safety net in case it just didn't develop any further. However, obviously we shouldn't have been worried at all because the group has grown in this last year, which is fantastic.
I feel much happier having met all these lovely people. I feel healthier, more agile, fit. I feel now as if I could live forever. And as well as that, I feel valued again. Something was missing in my life and now it's not.